For this video, we are going to look at the Follow Boss integration. And at this point, we're going to assume that you already have made the API connection, so I'm not really going to go over that, but all you have to do is plug in the API and you should be good to go. To actually manage the functions of that integration, you're going to do that from within the transaction itself by going to the APIs here and going to the Follow Boss. You'll notice there's a quick recap here of these different sections. We're going to be taking a look at the deal sync, which allows you to basically push over this transaction to Follow Boss, and you can determine which pipeline to put it in, what stage to put in, and who's assigned to it. So let's go ahead and do that now. We have our user for Follow Boss, Peter Griffin here. And now for this transaction, I want to go ahead and push that over to Follow Boss and put it into one of my deal pipelines. First thing you'll have is stage. You'll see it is required. And you'll have your different pipelines. So I have my buyer pipeline, seller pipeline, leads, and then what stage I want to put it in. So in this case, I'm going to say this is a pending buyer deal. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. The name's already plugged in, which is taken just from this contract title here. You can add a description in here if you like. Let's go for a projected date. I'm just going to throw something in there. What kind of price? And commission value. I'm just kind of making up some numbers, so don't pay too much attention to that. From here, I have it set up, so I'm going to go ahead and add the deal. It's kind of a two-step process here, because once I do that, it's going to create the deal and add that to the pipeline over on Follow Boss. Once that's done, I can now assign contacts and users to that. So let's go ahead and put in Mr. John Rambo. Okay, now he's been assigned, and let's pick a user. We're going to say this one is Stewie. And there we go. So those are, now the deal has now been pushed over to Follow Boss. It has that different data that I've plugged in and the assignments that I'm looking for, John and Stewie. You can add additional contacts and users as well, remove them right from this spot as well, and it should be a live link. And the very last option here, we'll be going down and just deleting that deal altogether, which should clear it out from the Follow Boss account completely.